cookies, I am Sneh and welcome back to my channel. Every weekend I take you on a new adventure exploring different parts of Mallorca like a local. I have been living here as an English teacher, so if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. One of my favorite things about this island is how every corner feels like a hidden gem waiting to be explored, and that's why on every weekend you are exploring this Mallorca with me. And this time we are heading to Daya and Cala Daya with some new friends. This is Brenda, my Cuban American friend, introduced me to her roommates today, who is Joanna. Joanna is from Germany, and Valeria, who's right next to her, she is from Italy. And we had an international group. One of the best thing about living abroad, right? So you meet people from all over the world, and every day feels like stepping into a different reality. Trust me. Daya is actually one of the dreamy villages of Mallorca, which is tucked in the mountains. But in winter, यहाँ कोई काम नहीं करता. It's almost empty. Most cafes and shops are closed because businesses here wait for summer to reopen. मुझे भी यहाँ पर restaurants on करने हैं, मुझे भी यहाँ पर chef बनना है. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? Anyways, the cool part, many people in Mallorca work only during tourist season. So how cool it is, and the government supports them through the winter. Imagine that. आप कुछ काम नहीं कर रहे हो and everybody is giving you money to not work. Wow. So the idea to come here in the winter was not good, but it was March. I don't know when they are gonna just open the restaurants. So we wandered through the quiet streets, enjoying the peaceful vibes. When we saw them on the map, the Cala Daya was just a 20 minutes walk away. Sundar, 20 minutes. Oh my god, the ghar. You know, the ghar. The houses are so beautiful. Or simplicity. I just enjoy this simplicity in Mallorca. And मुझे नहीं पता किसने मैप देखा था, but we decided to walk to Cala Daya because summer में तो वहाँ बहुत भीड़ होती है. Why not to go to this famous restaurant of Cala Daya today? And turns out it was a 45 minutes hike down. Yes, guess what? I was not dressed for this. You can see that. And also I hadn't eaten anything all morning. No food, no water. So yeah, great planning on my part. But the views, oh my god, totally worth it. And that's why I was dancing. Also, Brenda comes with her speaker every time we go somewhere. So she is always prepared. And she was also having her food, at least snacks. So I think प्लीज़ बी ब्रेंडा एंड हमेशा अपना खाना अपना म्यूज़िक लेकर जाओ जब भी आप कालास पर जाओ. कालास क्या है? कालास बेसिकली स्टोन बीचेस हैं मायोरका के. ज़रूरी नहीं है स्टोन, सम आर लाइक द सैंड बीचेस टू. चलो फाइनली पहुंच गए काला दैया. ये बट you can see now my outfit. I was not lying, right? But the thing is, यहाँ पर आ तो गए हैं, but the famous restaurant is closed. Now what are we gonna do? यहाँ पर भी हमें खाना नहीं मिला और अभी हमें 45 minutes का hike करके ऊपर जाना है. Anyways, let me enjoy this view first and I will complain and crib later on. So when we finally reached to Cala Daya, it was absolutely breathtaking. Like crystal clear water, dramatic cliffs and not a single tourist inside. Well, समर में तो यहाँ पर पैर भी नहीं रखने की जगह मिलती, बट कोई बात नहीं. द फेमस रेस्टोरेंट देयर वाज क्लोज्ड, बट ऑनेस्टली जस्ट सिटिंग देयर एंड टेकिंग इट ऑल, इट वाज इनफ. आई वाज इन लव एंड एवरी डे व्हेन आई से आई एम लकी टू बी इन Mallorca, I really mean it. So then reality hit and we had to hike back up to another 45 minutes to catch the bus because we were checking the time and we were getting late for the bus. But I wanted to take some shots. I wanted to enjoy with my friends. So we thought, you know what, we will catch the next bus, but we will take some photos first.
Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails.
मैंने नोटिस किया that everyone was in their own little world. Like हम सभी मस्त से enjoy कर रहे थे. किसी को इतना कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा कि हम खाना नहीं खा कर आए, हम आउटफिट ढंग से नहीं पहन कर आए. और मैं तो अपने क्या कहते हैं सारे बॉलीवुड शॉट्स भी ले रही थी. How many debates to earn some tailwind. Some of us sat in silence, soaking up the sun, salty breeze, and while others wandered around, captured every angle of this hidden paradise. There was something so peaceful about it, like time had slowed down for a while. But guess what? We hiked back. My legs were screaming, my stomach was empty, but somehow we made it. So I'm proud of myself and all of my friends. And the next stop is Port de Sayer. Now we are finally in Port de Sayer. So one of my favorite places in Mallorca. This gives me serious Italy vibes with its colorful waterfront, vintage trams and relaxed atmosphere. First priority, food. Because we came here just for the food. So we decided to sit down and eat something first. Got olives, bread and mayo. So simple, but when you are starving, it's everything, trust me. And we walked around, soaked up the views, just enjoyed the moment before finally catching the bus back home. So let me show you Port de Sayer, which we enjoyed while walking around. अगर आप मायोरका आ रहे हो ना, तो एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 डेज आप पोर्ट दे सैयर पर आओ और अपने स्पेंड करो. जस्ट यहाँ पर एक एयरबीएनबी लो और यहाँ पर रेस्टोरेंट्स एंजॉय करो, बीच पर बैठो. आई जस्ट लव द वाइब्स हियर. इट्स इट्स demure, it's elegant, it's colorful, it's so simple, so nice. It gives me some kind of Amalfi Coast vibes and I तो love it. और आप देख सकते हो कितना क्लियर वाटर है. लाइक आई हैव नेवर सीन दिस मच क्लियर वाटर इन माई लाइफ. मायोरका हैज़ सच अ प्योरिटी. और फिर हमने ये ट्रैम्प देखी, जो विंटेज ट्रैम्प है मायोरका की, काफ़ी फेमस है. अगर आप गूगल पे सर्च करो मायोरका, तो सबसे पहले ये ट्रैम्प दिखाई देती है पिक्चर्स में. एंड आई हैव नेवर सेट इन दिस ट्रैम्प, बट समहाउ आई विल लेटर ऑन, बट नॉट टुडे. और जब आप लोकल की तरह रहने लगते हो ना, तो आपका खुद भी मन नहीं करता. आपको लगता है व्हाई शुड यू बिहेव लाइक अ टूरिस्ट. You can be just a local, just enjoy like a little drink in a restaurant, just sit by the beach and have a gelato with your friends. This is what I live for, I think.
What a wonderful life. How lucky am I that I get to hold your pretty hands in mine.
Whenever I travel, I just wanna live like a local because I feel उसका मज़ा ही और है. और मैं तो यहाँ पर रह ही रही थी. I was not traveling, I was living. So basically आपका way of seeing a place changes, I feel like. And this is one of the beautiful place, and the pictures and the videos are not doing justice. What an adventure day it was. Like definitely not planned, but sometimes those are the best ones. अगर मैं वो क्यूट आउटफिट नहीं पहनती तो मैं इतनी कंप्लेंट कैसे करती हाइक की, जो मैंने 1.5-2 घंटे करी है. और अगर दिया बंद ही नहीं होता तो हम काला दिया जाते ही नहीं. और अगर काला दिया नहीं जाते तो हम पोर्ट दे सैयर भी नहीं आते. और आई थिंक सम थिंग्स आर मेंट टू बी. और मैं तो यहाँ पर कभी भी आ सकती हूँ पोर्ट दे सैयर. जस्ट टेक मी ऑन अ डेट एंड आई एम कमिंग विद यू. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स if you ever gone on an unplanned trip that ended up being amazing. And if you want to see more of Mallorca weekends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.